How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Choice here, and today I'm going to show you how to make keto pancakes from scratch. Take a look at these. I'm going to show you how to make these, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. This video was suggested by one of my longtime subscribers, Tyler Wilkins. Thank you, Tyler, for your video recommendation. This is for you and everyone else around the world. And if you have a video suggestion, leave it in the comment section down below. If it's a good idea for a video, I'll make a video on it and I'll give you credit right in that video. All right, so keto pancakes. I'm gonna show you how to make these right now. All right, let's start with the dry ingredients first. A half cup of coconut flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of arrowroot starch, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a dash of real salt. Now to add the wet ingredients. 4 ounces of cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of butter melted. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 5 drops of liquid stevia, and 4 eggs. And mix until combined. All right, the batter's been mixed thoroughly. Now to put these onto a frying pan. All right, we got our frying pan here. And I'm just going to put about a teaspoon of walnut oil. Spread the oil evenly in the pan. And when the oil gets hot, we'll put our first pancake on the pan. Try to make it as flat as you can. And we're going to cover it so it cooks a little bit on the top as well. All right, it's been about 2 minutes. Let's check it out and see what it looks like. All right, it's starting to bubble up a little bit on top. That's a good sign. See if we can move it a little. All right, good move. All right, we're gonna try to flip this. Nice and golden brown, a little bit crispy. Another 2 minutes and it's done. All right, it's been about 2 minutes. Let's check it out. All right, this is a lot better. Look at that nice golden brown. All right, this is good. We're going to put another pancake down, add a little bit of oil, drop some batter, all right, so let's cover it up. Alright, it's looking good. I'm going to try to flip it. Nice. Alright, 2 minutes on this side and we're done with this pancake. Alright. That's a perfect golden brown right there. All right, look at these pancakes. They look amazing. Put a little butter on them. All right, keto pancakes. I can't wait to try these. Let's do a taste test, shall we? Take a look at that.
It's good.
It's good. This is good, guys. This is delicious. Now you could use some sugar-free syrup as well to put on the top of the pancake. I actually have something that would work. I have sugar-free Hershey's chocolate syrup. I'm just gonna put a little bit on here. Let me try it, see if it'll go with it. Get a little butter on there. Not bad. Man, these are good. They're so fluffy and delicious. Look at these. They're like real pancakes, guys. Without all the carbs and the sugar. These are delicious. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your night. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're gonna love those. Have a great day. Matt Troy signing out.